according to me, science is good because in this time our country is developing because of science. And in this time, if you want to go anywhere, then you can use vehicles, and by the help of vehicles you can go everywhere. Like if you want to go any country, then by the help of aeroplane you can go anywhere. So according to me, science is good.
But you know, aeroplane is increasing lots of chemicals and gases. Because of this thing, our environment is becoming very dirty, and because of this thing, in this time we can't be able to take fresh air.
Okay, you are saying about our environment, but what would you like to say if you are a businessman and in 2 to 3 hours you have to go any place? Then how will you go at that place?
At a time, I will use train. Train is not. I can say that train is
Okay,
also part of science,
you have
but
to go.
that is not reduce loss.
You have to
of
go
chemicals.
another country. Then by the help of train you can go in 2 to 3 hours.
But by the help of aeroplane, you can go.
Yes, obviously I can go.
Okay, you can go, but why? What is need to go anywhere only for 2 to 3 minutes, 3 hours?
Because in this time everybody business not everybody in this time India has a maximum businessmen, and they have to work from another countries, and they have to go sometime another countries for any deal.
But at the time they also do conference meeting, and they also increase their business by the help of video call. And you can say that phone is also part of science, but anytime if you are using that, it is bad. But only for work you are using that, it's not bad.
Okay, you are saying about phone. You know, in this time, phone is very necessary for every people, because without phone you can't live. And by the help of phone, you can grow yourself, and you can do anything. Like if you haven't any business, if you haven't any job, then you can do any video. And if you have any talent, then by the help of your talent you can show your talent on social media, and you can earn
You can't
money.
say that by the help of phone you can do everything, because you are saying that by the help of video you can be famous, but it's not possible. Because in this time, if you want to make video and you want to famous, then it's not possible. Because in this time,
How can you say that this is not possible? In this time, you know about in Bokaro, you know about Ayush Sharma. He is famous because of social media. He hasn't any job, and
yes, I know.
He had tried about
you
a
can
job.
upload video.
What?
Have you much time, then you can upload video. But in this time, we can say that somebody is student, and in this time we should concentrate on our study, not
Okay,
video.
you are saying about study. Then by the help of YouTube, you can also study with phone.
You are saying that about online classes.
Yes.
But online classes is not good, because if you didn't understand any question, then if you are doing online,
How can you
offline
say that
classes,
online class is not important? Online class is very important. In online classes, you can prepare every type of examination. Like if you want to do UPSC, then by the help of phone, by the help of online classes, you can crack your exam. And
Okay.
you know, in this time, ancient time, like 10 to 12 years, when the generation of our father, at that time they didn't get know about any notification and any job application. But in this time, in a few minutes, you can know about any application of job.
You are saying that by the help of online class you can crack any types of exam. Okay, I am agree that you are saying right. But by the help of phone, your eyes can be damaged and your health will be very decreased day by day. So how can you say that by the help of online class you can crack any types of exam?
Okay, you are saying about your eyes. You know, in this time, science made blue cut goggles, and you can wear blue cut goggles, and after that you can read.
Okay, first and foremost you purchase phone. After that you purchase blocked goggles. After that you will be do your class. But if you are doing,
If you have to,
listen,
if you have
let
to
me
do,
clear my point.
Okay.
If you are doing offline classes, then it's not necessary for you, because at the time you can do without any blocked goggles and phone.
Okay,
Take your class.
you are saying about offline classes. You know, in offline classes, village people can't go offline classes because the distance of offline classes that is very far, and they have to go. They will take time like 1 hour, 2 hour, and after that they will reach their tuition. And
Okay,
if they
but
read
even
if
then
they
it's
read in
good.
online classes, then in 1 to 2 hours they can read many more things.
Okay, I mean you want to say that by the help of online class you can save your time, but it's not good because if you want to take any classes, then you are saying about village peoples. Village peoples also use offline classes. Somebody are using online classes because if they don't go anywhere, then their health will be decreased. But if you are waking up early and morning and you are going to your tuition on offline classes, then it is good of your body and your mind also.
I know offline classes is good, but online classes is good according to offline classes, because in online classes you can know everything. Like if you want to be any model, singer, YouTuber, dancer, you can do anything, and you can
Please tell me that what is need of this type of thing.
yes, what type of things?
Like say about dancer, singer. What is need?
It is for fun. It is for fun. In this time, everybody need fun, and
You can't say everybody.
need fun because
No, somebody-
because everybody have a depression, everybody have a headache,
Why?
stress,
Because
and
of science gazette. Because
no, because
phone.
of not science gadget, because of their home condition.
But
Their home.
if you have any problem, then you can talk with your family members. What is need that you are using phone and you will scroll reel
Okay,
and
and
listen song?
if
It's
family
not good.
and if family member always abuse you and they always fight you, then what will you do?
At a time, it's your fault that how will you live with your family members. If you are
No.
if you are good, then everything is good. But if
No.
you are wrong, then everything is bad.
If you want to free your mind, then you have to see dance, singing, like that type of videos. According to me, science is good because in this time our country is developing by the help of science. In this time, many types of factories established in India, and by the help of science we are developing. So that is very good for our generation.
According to me, science is bad because of science in this time, many types of diseases are increasing. Just like we can say cancer about cancer, and because of science gazette, it is increasing.